What if I told you that being wealthy isn't a single destination? It's a ladder, and most people are stuck on the very first step, without even realizing there are 4 more levels above them. As an African, you got to know these steps. In my previous video, I talked about the trap of saving money and why Africans should avoid it. In this video, I will be giving you the map out of that trap. I would recommend that you watch the previous video after this one. I will leave the link at the end. Here we will talk about the 5 distinct levels of wealth and the exact mindset shift required to climb from one to the next. Find out where you are and, more importantly, how to get to the top. Hey there, I'm Abdullahi Kaka. On this channel, we explore ideas around personal growth, finance, and inspiring global success one story at a time. If you find this helpful, share it with your family and friends. Maybe it'll encourage them too. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Level 1 is survival. This is where most people live. You're living paycheck to paycheck. Your income covers your immediate expenses, but there's little to nothing left over. A single unexpected car repair or a hospital bill can trigger a financial crisis. The mindset here is one of scarcity and stress. You're not playing to win, you're playing not to lose. The only goal is making it to the next payday. This is the most stressful level, but it is also the one you can escape the fastest with a clear plan. Level 2 is stability. This is the first major step up and the first goal for everyone. At this level, you have your basic needs covered and you've built an emergency fund. Typically 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an accessible account. You're no longer terrified of a flat tire. You have a buffer. You might still have debt, but you're managing it without panic. The mindset here shifts from stress to control. You've built a foundation. This is the level where traditional saving advice gets you, but it's also where it tragically leaves you. Level 3 is security. This is the most critical turning point, the level where true freedom begins. At this level, your investments are generating enough passive income to cover your most basic survival needs, things like housing, food, and utilities. You're not living a life of luxury on this income, but you know that if you lost your job tomorrow, your core needs would be met indefinitely. This is the point where you have achieved freedom from having to work. You now work because you want to. The mindset shifts from control to confidence. You achieve this by consistently converting your active income into income-producing assets. Level 4 is independence. This is the goal most people think of when they say financial freedom. At this level, your passive income from your investments now covers your entire current lifestyle. Your car, your vacations, your hobbies, everything is paid for by your assets. Your time is 100% your own. You can choose to work on passion projects, travel, or contribute to your community, all without ever worrying about a salary. The mindset here is one of abundance and choice. Level 5 is abundance. This is the final frontier. At this level, your passive income is so significant that it not only covers your desired lifestyle, but far exceeds it. You have more money coming in than you could ever reasonably spend. Your financial focus is no longer on your own needs, but on how to manage this wealth effectively. This is where you think about legacy, large-scale philanthropy, and building generational wealth. The mindset shifts from choice to impact. You are no longer just building a life for yourself, you are in a position to shape the world around you. So, be honest. Which rung of the ladder are you on right now? Leave a comment below. There's no judgment. Knowing where you are is the first step. Climbing this ladder isn't about luck, it's about strategy, and it starts with your mindset. The principles needed to get from survival to security are exactly what I lay out in my free guide, The African Millionaire's Mindset. If you are serious about your climb, this is your next step. The link is at the very top of the description. Download it now.